Hi, I'm Ray. Can we believe it's July? We've got a few things we can plant out in July. But things have been so crazy, harvesting, tidying, weeding. Sometimes we forget we can still sow some more things in July. So I'm going to show you a few crops that we can still do in July. So first on my list is kale, and this is Romesco kale, and it's great to be planting kale out in midsummer. It's the peak of the season, everything's warming up and it'll be ready to go. So kale can be planted where the potatoes are going. So I'm starting them in this cell tray. When the potatoes are harvested, they're ready to go. So cell tray, compost, sprinkle them on, trying to get one in each cell. There we go. They can be directly sown if there's space available. There we go. And then covered with some more multi-compost. And then we have a label. So that is kale. So we can also start our cabbages. This is Durham early. These can be sown July, August. Superb, well flavoured spring cabbage or spring greens. So same process. You can use the same tray. Exactly the same. One in each, maybe two. There we go. And that is Durham early. Sprinkle over the top. And then we can also do Chinese cabbages. We've got Chinese kale, we've got pak choi, and where's the other one? Kohlrabi. Pak choi, they all can be done in the same process. Nicely, all well done. All look the same. All done in the same tray. Saves space. It's a great ideal time in the second half of summer for your pak choi. And then the last one I'm going to do is Chinese cabbage, and this is wong bok. There we go. And they all can grow nicely in the greenhouse until it's time ready for them to come out. So that's all going to get a water. And they're going to go in the greenhouse. Quick water. And then they're going to sit into the greenhouse. Ready for some space in my beds. So carrots can still be grown in July. Another compost, the soil is nice and warm, they will quickly grow. Choose fast growing carrots such as like Amsterdam forcing, or even the little Chardonnay red carrot or Paris Market 5. Why not try doing them in a container? I'm going to grow some in this washing up basket. I saw this had some drainage holes in the bottom. I thought that would be perfect. I'm just going to add some compost to my container. But you can use any container, pot, anything. So these chantenays, they don't need much on the side of deep pots, so I'm just going to grow these in the washing up basket. Get rid of all the lumps. And we'll take our carrots, and I posted a video about growing carrots using mushroom trays. So check out that video. I'll add a link in the description. So I'm just going to broadcast these. We're not doing rows. So broadcasting is just a case of scattering, and then we can thin out later. So this is Chantenay. That's our seeds, and we're just broadcasting. The broadcasting is just scattering. And there we go, and that's all we're going to do. Chantenay. And I'll be revealing my carrots in a container on another video. So go back and check out the playlists for that video. And I'm just going to scatter over the top another layer of compost. And the ideal containers that you can store them anywhere you like, put them on a path, just can grow them anywhere. A container, patio, balcony, anywhere. I give it a drop of water. That's just going to sit outside now. And we look forward to some nice carrots. There we go. So that's carrots. So July is one of the last times that we can do peas, beans, climbing beans, pole beans, French beans. So we're just going to do a little crop of peas. Just a few in a pot to go on, and then a few beans in the pot. cover them over, bit of compost. Hopefully the mice are busy eating everything else now. They're not going to be too interested. And these can be done directly sown in the spaces that you want, or we can start them off in a pot at home to take to the allotment on another day. So one of the last chance for peas and beans. And they should be harvesting within about 12 weeks. These are rather dry and they're ready to go down to the allotment. So we can still do beetroots. They can be done right through to July, as well as chard up to July, salad leaves all year round, basil all year round, salad leaves right up till September. Turnips can be directly sown May, June, July, along with radishes. Chard can still be done in July, and spinach. Spinach can be sown right up to July to October. So there we go, turnips, lettuce, turnip. So there we go. So let me know in the comments, you growing any of these in July? And let me know the progress. It's been so hot, but now it's raining. So it's hard to say. Let me know how you're getting on. Leave a comment in the comments and that'd be wonderful. Thank you very much. Cheers.